Today, I'm at Mountain Shadows in Incline Village on the north shore of Lake Tahoe, and I've got a great condo to show you. It's beautifully redone, and it's in a nice complex in Incline Village with a great location. So Mountain Shadows, there's about 248 units in here. We're about 5 minutes from the beach. We're about 5 minutes from the Incline Village Championship Golf Course, and 5 minutes up this road up to the ski resort. So fantastic location for a great condo. I think you're gonna love it. I'm Tahoe Tony. I'm the founder of Living in Tahoe, and if you wanna know everything about living in Tahoe, I'm your guy. I'm also the managing broker for eXp Luxury Real Estate in Incline Village, and I'm super happy because I get to work with great people just like you. So come on in. I love these condos. They're great. You got an upstairs and a downstairs, and we're gonna go check out the upstairs right now. One thing I really love about these condos is they have the great room. Now this is built in 1974, and they still have the great room concept, which is pretty great. I mean, very progressive. And really high ceilings, and the people who had this one remodeled it, sandblasted the ceilings, and they look beautiful now. It's a natural wood, got two gorgeous skylights in there, plenty of room for everybody in here with a nice big dining room table. I love the antler chandeliers, gives a good Tahoe feel. And then the kitchen. Now, when these kitchens were really originally built, there was like a cover up here and dark cabinets. It was all kind of enclosed, but now it's nice and open. It's beautiful out here. So if you're in the kitchen and you've got guests here, everybody can see what's going on. It's great. So they've got 3 stools there, which are great if you're just having a little quick little meal. They've got a nice stove here, nice, beautiful stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher, and then your sink with the window outside. It's snowing right now. It's kind of fun. We're in the fall. And a great fall we've had in Tahoe. It seemed like the summer just went all the way, and then like a switch flipped, and now it's fall, it's starting to snow, it's cold, it's great. So should be some great skiing this year. Just on the back side of the kitchen, they've got a little pantry / laundry room. Very smart use of the space. You've got your microwave in here and plenty of racks for different spices if you need to stock up because we've got a snowstorm coming or you've got friends coming, so you need to stock up on all your dry goods. And then a nice washer and dryer set right here, and you can still get into it. I've seen people put them in there and then you can't open the door. So they're very smart to do it this way. Great use of space, I love it. So upstairs, all the bedrooms are downstairs. They do have a half bath here. So if you're upstairs, you're entertaining, you can just use a half bath, cute, cozy little half bath. This is the nicest one I've seen in this entire complex. There are 248 units in Mountain Shadows, and this is the nicest remodel I've ever seen. So they did a beautiful job here. Another great thing about this condo is everything is being sold with it. So all the furniture, all the artwork, the TVs, everything you see today, other than me, is being sold with this condo. So you can just move right in, bring your toothbrush, your clothes, your favorite beer, wine, and food, and you're good to go. It's great. So nice, comfortable living room. Now, when these were originally built, very thick rug there, don't trip on it. These were originally built, this is a regular wood fireplace, but they put a pellet stove in here, and so it's very efficient. I bet you can heat this room up in like 10 minutes with this thing. So pellet stoves are great because you just kind of lift that up, you get your pellets in there, you pour them in, and it'll run for several hours. You don't have to like keep stocking it with wood and everything. It's much cleaner, much more efficient than just regular firewood. And it's got a little fan so it blows out. I bet you could heat this room up in minutes. So, and it looks nice, very comfortable, very efficient. And then we have this deck here. It's kind of snowing a little bit today, so it's not a great time to be out on the deck, but it is a nice deck. It's big enough for a table, a barbecue, and you're out looking in the trees here. So nicely done, and it's on the shady side, so you're not gonna be bright and sunny in the hot afternoons, few hot afternoons we get in Tahoe. So all in all, very comfortable upstairs. I really like these units. They did a great job with these. So this is the master bedroom, and it's a really good sized master bedroom for a condo that's 1,370 square feet. So full king size bed. They've got enough room for a little end table there. They've got a dresser, a TV, and all of that comes with it. And then the great thing about Mountain Shadows is they allow short-term rentals. So if you're not using your condo full time, you can rent it out when you're not using it. And one of the things that they did when they did the remodel is made this an owner's closet. So they've got 2 closets here, and this one you can lock. So you put all your personal stuff in there, your good wine that you don't want the renter to take. You lock that in there so you don't worry about renters here that they're not using personal stuff. And then you've got another closet they can use. So very nicely planned. And they put in this nice barn door. Everybody seems to love the barn door, right? Love that. And then there's a beautiful bathroom that they remodeled. It's light, bright, very efficient in space, and just looks brand new already. So we're still downstairs, and there are 2 more bedrooms down there. So it's really nice having a 3-bedroom unit. So you got the master bedroom, 2 more bedrooms. This one I really like. They've got a little bunk bed in there with little storage space for kids. So it's really great. I love the idea of the bunk bed in there. And then they've got another bedroom here, which looks like it has a double bed in it. Good sized bedroom, nicely done. You've got an extra blanket there. You've got a TV. So it's, like I said, it's all set up for you to just show up and start enjoying Tahoe. And then to service these 2 bedrooms, they have a full-size bath. They did everything light and bright. You know, it's kind of hard when you don't have a really big space. If you do it light and bright, it feels bigger and cleaner and just so nicely done. I love it. Among all the other great upgrades they've done with this unit that you can see, they're beautifully remodeled. These units are electric heat, and they used to have an old, very inefficient baseboard heat, which could be a little bit expensive, but these owners upgraded to these really nice, very high efficient electric little heaters. So every room has its own little thermostat, little heater. So if you're not using a room, you don't have to have the heat on. It's great, very smartly done. A nice upgrade that you probably wouldn't notice if you were in the other unit, but this one stands out because of that. So I've shown you many videos of these beautiful mansions in Lake Tahoe, up on the hill, panoramic lake views, $12.5 million, brand new modern houses for $8 million. And today I'm showing you a beautifully appointed, nicely refurbished Tahoe ski cabin for only $775,000. And I think you're gonna love it because it's so well done. Very, it feels great in here. Like, you'd be happy to bring friends here, I'm sure of it. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Tahoe Tony, if you'd like to live in Tahoe, reach out to me. I'm a real estate agent on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe, and I specialize in finding your dream home, whether it's a ski cabin or a mansion on top of the hill, I'm there for you. So if you wanna make the move to Lake Tahoe, Nevada in 6 days, 6 weeks, or even 16 months, reach out to me. I'm gonna guarantee your move to Lake Tahoe will be the greatest real estate experience you've ever had.